Good day, friends. Today's class, we want to see electric charges and the operation on a gold leaf electroscope in particular. Don't forget that our channel on YouTube is Taiwo Oduebo and our Facebook channel is Taiwo Michael Oduebo. Quickly go and subscribe. Don't forget that our jam classes is still ongoing. 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. And don't let's forget that you can also contact us through the number displayed on the screen. Let's get started. So this class will be interesting as we will be examining the JAM 2003 question 13. And this is a gold leaf electroscope. In the figure shown, when the negatively rod X is brought near the cap of the electroscope, the leaves will open further. The leaves will close up. The rod will become positively charged. The leaves will become positively charged. What is the operation in the gold leaf electroscope? This is a charged body that is brought near the cap. This is the cap of this gold leaf electroscope. This is the charge that the gold leaf electroscope has when a negatively charged body is brought near this cap. So let's see the effect. Before you can answer this question very well, you must have gone to the example with a table and the table in your mind. Look at the table as I'm doing that. We have charge on an electroscope. That's one. We have charge brought near the cap. And lastly, we have effect on leaf. These are the things you will charge on an electroscope, charge brought near the cap, effect on leaf. This is the leaf. What will happen to the leaf? That's what you will use to answer this question. In the figure shown, when the negative rod X, this is X, is brought near the cap of the electroscope. This is the cap. The leaf will open further. The leaves will close up. The rod will become positively charged and the leaf will become positively charged. Let's see the summary of everything. Number 1, when the gold leaf electroscope is negatively charged like this, and you bring a negatively charged rod X near this cap, maybe negative, what will be the effect on the leaf? What will happen to the leaf? That's what they are saying. What will happen to the leaf is that divergence will increase. Another word for divergence will increase is that there will be separation. The leaf will open further. Divergence means, again, there will be separation. The leaf will separate. Or you say the leaf will open further. Those are the words they use. Number 2, when the electroscope is positively charged and brought near the cap of it, and the charge rod S, which is positive, is brought near this cap, what will happen? The same thing. Divergence will increase. They are the same sign. Divergence will increase. The leaf will separate. The leaf will open further. Let's see another scenario. Another scenario is when the charge on an electroscope is negatively charged and a charge rod X is positive here. That means different charges. We have divergence will decrease. Divergence will decrease. Another word for divergence will decrease is that there will be a collapse of this leaf. Collapse. A collapse means that they will come together. They will come close. Instead of opening further, the leaf will close up. It will collapse. The fourth one, when the leaf is positively when the electroscope is positively charged and is brought near a negative charge rod S is brought near the cap, different sign, the leaf will also decrease. The last scenario which I want to mention is when the charge on an electroscope is positive and a neutral body, not positively charged body, not negatively charged, we call it a neutral body, is brought near this cap. We are told that the divergence, I want you to do that in the comment section. What will happen when a positively charged is brought near a neutral body? What will be the effects on the leaf? But let's answer this question. In the figure shown, when the negatively charged rod X is brought near the cap of the electroscope, we have the leaf will open up, the leaves will close up, the rod will become positively charged, the leaves will become positively charged. As I've mentioned in my explanation, when divergence increases, means the leaf will open further. Divergence increases. That means the answer is option A. Another word for divergence increases is the leaf will open further. It will separate. It will not collapse or close up. I hope you have gained something in this video. Don't forget to subscribe again. Taiwo Odeyebo on my YouTube, my Facebook page, Taiwo Michael Odeyebo. This information I have shared, friends, is very, very important. Let all our children get to this page and begin to learn all the past questions I have solved so far, and they will be very glad you introduce them to this channel. I hope you have gained something in this video. Bye for now. Bye.